This is cabin 2426, an ocean view. So let's take a look. As you come in on the left-hand side, you see this is all your cabinets for storing your clothes. You have your shelves in this one, and you've got hanging on that one. There's a third one behind the door, which is actually slightly bigger than the one we just showed you. Coming further into the cabin, you do have your lighted mirror, which the light is not on right now. There's 4 drawers there and a center drawer here, which I believe is where, I don't know, I thought your hairdryer was there, but I guess it's right over there. Mini bar right there, at least a mini fridge. Above it, there is a TV, small by today's standards, and there's mirrors everywhere with some more cabinets here. Across from that, you do have a sofa that can convert to a bed, and there's some drawers underneath and a coffee table that you can move around. Down at this end is your bed, your sleeping area. It's 2 twins or a king, depending how you want it configured. Got a couple nightstands, which is nice. And then again, this is an ocean view. There's your nice big picture window. Let me back up a little bit and give you a better view of it. So yeah, it's nice. Okay. The bathroom looks just like the rest of the bathrooms that we've seen for the most part in this ship. There's a curtain, small corner shower, toilet in the right place for the toilet fluffy, single basin sink, 6 shelves, makeup mirror. There's power in here. Not too bad for a bathroom. Let us know what you think of this ocean view with the big picture window.